today's widget is Navigator. It is a widget that manages a set of child widgets with a stack discipline. A navigator manages a stack of roots and provides method for managing this stack like navigator.push and navigator.pop. So as in our last video, we have created a drawer. In this we will use our navigator widget. Here what I want is if I click this profile button, a new page should be open. For that I'm creating a new file. Press Command N in Mac and Control N in Windows to create a new file. Saving the file as profile.dart. Don't forget to use the .dart extension. In that, creating a stateful widget by using snippet st, importing the material library, and in that creating a scaffold with an app bar with title profile. Now coming back to the drawer, list tile has a property called onTab. In that I'm using the navigator.push property. In that we have two arguments, context and root. Root can be material page root or Cupertino page root. If your users are from particularly iOS devices, you can use Cupertino page root. In that we have to build a context and the class name where we have to navigate. As you can see, the package is automatically imported, that is hello world/profile.dart, and we have successfully navigated from one page to another. That's all about the navigator widget.